So the process to make your TikTok account not private is quite easy and simple, and it is similar for Android as well as iOS devices. Simply go and open up your TikTok app. Here we go. Now go and open up your profile by tapping on profile at the right bottom corner. Once you are here, simply go and tap on these three lines at the right top corner. Now go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you'll be able to see privacy. So here is the second option, privacy. Tap on this one. Now at the top you can see discoverability, and under that you have a option of private account. With private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. So simply go and turn this off. Tap on switch. And now by doing so, your account is public, and this is the way that can help you to make your TikTok account not private. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.